Don't let it go. I breathe you in like smoke. I taste that Cuban talk. Only the best for me.
I got you. Oh my god, and lipstick on your teeth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and happy Valentine's Day month, and happy birthday month to me and all the Aquariuses out there. I am going to be doing this really pretty pink glowing makeup look right here, perfect for date night, Valentine's Day. It's very romantic and sultry but soft at the same time. I love the way this came out. I cannot wait to show you, and I want to say a big thank you to Neutrogena for partnering up with me on this video using their Hydroboost line, which is so good, so good. I can't wait to show you how I got this look, and if you want to learn how to get it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I just woke up, it's early in the morning, and my skin looks so sleepy and dull right now. So before I get started, I'm gonna put on this Hydroboost multivitamin booster from Neutrogena. It's supposed to brighten the skin, energize it. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's going to hydrate the skin really well. So this guy is what I'm putting on first to wake up my dullness and tired looking face. So I'm gonna put it on my hand like this. This is Serum, and I'm just gonna work it into my face. It feels so hydrating. And I usually do this if I'm doing, sometimes I'll use the Neutrogena Hydroboost cleanser. It's actually, I have it right here, the gentle cleansing lotion for sensitive skin. This is a really good drugstore option. Neutrogena has some amazing skincare products. I was raised with Neutrogena. My mom loves Neutrogena. This is the first skincare brand that I have ever learned about. I can always rely on Neutrogena. It's super inexpensive, very effective on the skin, so I am definitely a Neutrogena lover. So I'm just gonna work a little bit more in onto my forehead, make sure all of my face has the serum on it, and you can feel the plump in your skin instantly. You could just feel like so hydrated after the serum. This is great if you have dry skin. I have dry skin, so this works really good on my skin. If you have dry skin like me, oh my god, this feels so good. Do you see? It feels so hydrated. Definitely transforms my skin to feeling from like super dry to super supple. So if you have dry skin like me, definitely pick up one of these guys because it is going to be a skin lifesaver. My skin is prepped. I'm gonna go straight into foundation. For something more like soft and natural but still has a nice coverage is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is one of my favorite amongst a bunch of my other favorite foundations, but this one looks the most natural. It feels really good on the skin and it covers like crazy. This is Patagonia, and then since I have a little bit of a tan going on, which you can't see because I'm almost like in a turtleneck, I'm gonna mix Barcelona in there as well. It's a little bit darker. I'm not tanning, I'm just Patagonia. See, this is definitely a full coverage foundation. It doesn't look or feel like one. It doesn't get cakey, doesn't get into the fine line, so that's why I'm saying it's really good for like a date night kind of makeup. It just makes your skin look really soft and flawless. See, like it covers all the imperfections, but it doesn't look dry. It doesn't look thick or cakey. It just looks actually looks kind of nice and dewy a little, but not like crazy wet looking. I am loving this foundation. I just forgot how much I loved it actually. For the eyes, I'm gonna prep them with this concealer from YSL. I'm really excited actually to use this palette. It's so pretty and I just love everything that Too Faced comes out with. I get so excited about it because it usually smells good and stuff. So this is the White Peach palette. Look at the packaging, it's so pretty. I love the packaging. It has little peaches on the closure. This is the palette. How pretty. Oh my gosh. As soon as I saw this palette, I was like, yes, I'm going to do something with Valentine's Day. I'm going to use these colors right in here. So the first color I'm using is Peach Cream. I'm going to take Creme de la Peach and pop that all over the lid. And then for the outer part of the eye, I'm going to take Peach Sorbet. So I'm going to take both of those colors on a blending brush. So I'm going to work them on the outer part of the crease, kind of going into the outer part of the lid. and just these circular motions right here. And if you want a distinct line, you can always take some tape. I'm just gonna put that right there. I want it to have a nice strong structure to it, but I want to use soft color. So I'm gonna use the tape as my barrier so I don't go further than that, but I'm gonna just work in those colors right in this spot with a very soft circular motion. And the next color I'm picking up is Sweet Fig, and I'm just gonna take that on the outer part of the crease. And then for the very outer corner, I'm gonna take on the Grill. And doing this is just gonna make the look a little bit more sultry, but it's very soft and romantic at the same time. The darkest color in the palette is actually very soft, and it just works so well with all the other shades. The inner corners of the eye, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. Okay, so now that we have concealer on in the inner half, I'm gonna take Glistening Peach, which is this beautiful golden pink color right here. It has like an iridescent gold kind of look to it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take that on a flat brush, and I'm just gonna pop that on right on top of that inner corner that we concealed. Go back in with On the Grill, and then right underneath the brow bone, I'm gonna take Peach Cream. Okay, so I'm gonna add a wing really quickly with the Tarteist Double Take. Okay, so now we're going into the lashes. I feel like they're so important for a Valentine's Day look because this is what's gonna make your look super flirty. So I have these lashes here. I'm trying to figure out which one I want. Celine is a very expensive brand for lashes. I'm letting you guys know now, but their lashes are very, very pretty. These are the Shanti lashes, lash style. And while that dries, move on to the lower lash line. Just pop on a little bit of shadow. I think I'm gonna take Sweet Fig and work that on the lower lash line. And then a little bit of On the Grill right on top of the lash line. This truly gives you like instantly a smoky kind of look, and you don't even have to really try to smoke it out too much. It just, bam, smoky. And the lashes should be dry by now, so I'm gonna pick them up and pop them on really quick. So I'm gonna contour my face now. I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. For blush, I'm going to use the Jouer blush right here. It's so pretty. Love the packaging. And this is the blush I'm using. It's called Blador. And just work it on the cheeks. I think it's a really nice contrast to the pink. And I'm going to skip on the bronzer today, so it kind of acts as that as well. And I'm going to take it right up above the hairline, right along the hairline, right in here. As close as you can, because that's what makes it look most natural when you put it right inside of that hairline. And then for the highlight, I'm gonna use the ColourPop Innuendo. I'm gonna take the middle shade called On the Loose. It's just this gold highlight right here. And I'm gonna use my finger for the nose because it's such a tiny little spot. I'm gonna go right there, right across. So I'm going to take this new liquid lip from Nars. I don't know the name of it. It's like a very difficult name to pronounce for me. So I'm just going to take this. It's like a nude. It's just a nude lip. It's called Lip Cover. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And before you leave, please let somebody you know that you love them today. Let your mom, your dad, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife. Let them know you love them and give them a big hug. And that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, bye dollies.